project na ito?
Yung mga kasama po namin lalo sa mga ano po sa likod ng camera, mahalo same po yung DOP namin, si Direct Vic, and siguro halos kasi sa Jesus parang tayo dalawa lang kami. Laging tayong dalawa yung kasama sa show. So, dito po sa Lula, at least dito po may parang second lead po, may second love team po na kasama ko si Sia at si Vito. So yun po yung at least may ibang love team or may ibang romance na nakikita. Yun po yung iba po siguro.
Tsaka Ate MJ, siguro po yung preparation. Kasi diba, it's different kasi G-Salt was an adaptation eh. So siguro yung mga viewers, ganyan, yung supporters, they kind of know how the story will go. May structure, may skeleton na eh, diba? This is an original series, an original concept, ganyan. So siguro mas yung preparation din, especially with my character, parang pati physically yung preparation kasi kada take, kapag may mga ibang persona, kapag may ibang personalities, parang 6 na switch, 5 switch, 3 switch. So medyo yung kumbaga yung kailangan mo ng endurance sa lahat ng eksena kasi ang daming nangyayari eh. So siguro yung clarity lang din. And I think with the help of Direct and si Steven, yung DOP namin, parang mas nag-guide na okay, para sa ganitong personality, talagang kumbaga, may give and take ng opinion, ng feedback, para mas maging distinct yung bawat personality. So siguro yung preparation po, more of nandun. More of for the role. Like,
Congratulations,
Thank you.
guys! All the best!
Thank you so much, Ms. MJ. There you have it. Up next, we have from a Philippine star, Ms. Dali Ann Carvajal.
Hi,
Ms. Dali.
Tita.
Pasensya na kayo. Kaboses mo ng moment mo. Kasi nito. Anyway, congrats. After the success of G-Salt, di ba kayo na-pressure to outdo yourselves dito sa Lula?
Siyempre po may pressure po kahit paano since Lula nga is an original. Jesus kasi may mga readers na, may mga fans na nag-aabang.
They're really very excited for it. And yun po, mas excited din akong mapanood nila kasi it's such a very colorful world. Yung mundo ni Isa at ni Estong, very colorful, very eventful. So I'm really very excited po na mapanood. Thank you, Tita.
Thank you so much, Ms. Dali. There we go. Up next, we have from Radar PH, Kiko Escuado.
Hello po. Hello po. Hello. Congratulations. Hello po. First of all, na-mention nyo kanina yung support ng fans. Anong reaction nyo nakikita nyo yung ganitong karami na pupunta talaga sila para sa inyo? How do you feel?
Overwhelming, siyempre. Laging kada may ganang event, lagi nila parang dito? Lalagpasan pa, na-exit nila lagi yung mga ginagawa nila. And hindi nga ganun katagal yung announcement na itong mall show. So mabilis lang talaga, pero still, dito sila, sumusuporta sila, nagpakita talaga sila to show some love and support. At yung love na yun, umaapaw sa ibang mga tao, sa inyo dito, kaya grabe rin. Sobrang overwhelming. Thank you.
So, ako po sobrang grateful lang po talaga. Katulad ng sabi ni Wilbert, it's really very overwhelming in a good way. And parang at the same time, syempre kahit po paano, nandun yung pressure, but in a good way din naman. Kasi like, they show so much love, they give so much love, they give so much support. Kahit anong physically, sa social media, they pitch in financially to give support din sa lahat ng mga pinupuntahan, sa lahat ng mga ginagawa namin. And syempre yung pressure po would always be there because we want that gusto namin na kahit pa paano ma-bring back, ma-give back namin lahat ng pagmamahal na binibigay nila. And siguro ano rin po, it motivates us. Ako personally, it motivates me, it inspires me because the fact na may naniniwala po sa akin, may naniniwala at sumusuporta sa amin, di ba? Ibig sabihin, we're doing something good and it drives us to do better and to always be better every day.
Okay,
Thank you po.
Congratulations.
There we go. Beautiful answers from both Wilbert and Bea. But now let's proceed with from Inquirer, Jessica Eva.